Hello everyone, this is Rakshabandhan special tutorial part 2 in which we will decorate the box from inside and outside. For construction of box, do watch the part 1 and link is in the description box. Before we get started, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's make Rakhi guys. So here I have beautiful thin shiny ribbon with pearls and I'm inserting medium size 6 pearls into the ribbon with the help of needle. Here I already die cut these beautiful doilies from Prema Marketing. You can see the link in description box. I cut two doilies, one is in white and other is in gold color, and paste the gold doily on top of the white doily. Here I am pasting two doilies to give it strength. In this way you can make your own Rakhi at home. Isn't it easy guys? So I fuzzy cut this Rakshabandhan sentiment and paste it in center. Tie the knot so that pearls don't come out. Do it on both sides. To paste Rakhi on box, apply foam tape and ribbon. Apply some glue to secure the ribbon. In this way you can use Rakhi for your brother also, and it's 2 in 1. Trim the extras. It will decorate the box plus it will give you a Rakhi. These corner die cuts are from Heartfelt Creations. Check the link in the description box. These are beautiful corners. They have a very huge collection of die cuts. You can check out. Now let's decorate the sides of the box. Gluing the same corner on all 4 sides. These are the beautiful dies from Heartfelt Creation. Here I fuzzy cut the elements of brother and sister and I'm distressing it with the antique linen. So here I want to pop up these elements, so using foam tape for the height, and here I am using the foam tape only single layer. Let's decorate the sides of lid. I already die-cut these floral border, and these floral border are from Dress My Craft. Check out the link in description box. If we missed anything or you want to ask, do let us know in comment section, or you can mail us at paperlusionofficial@gmail.com. All the details are in description box. Do check it out. So here I glue these sentiments on golden cardstock. If you want, you can skip this and you can directly glue the sentiments on the specified area. For pockets photo mat, cut pattern paper of size 3.5 inch into 3.5 inch and cut 8 circle coin. You can use circle punch or tape roll or any cap of size 1 inch. Glue the circle coin in the center of photo mat. For more easy method, put all the photo mats in the pocket first and glue the circle coin on it. Now glue rest of the circle coin at the back also. And in this way your photo mat are ready. You can place your photos, your brother sister's photos, your family photos, anything. And these are the areas for the photos or anything you want. If you want to write anything in the center, you can keep the gift or anything you want to gift your brother or sister. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section and tag us in your recreation so that we can give you shout out on our Instagram stories and Facebook stories. Till then, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the new videos.